Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Harritpure 64 X21 arched full-length mirror, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. This stunning mirror measures 64 inches wide by 21 inches high, offering a large reflection that's ideal for any bedroom or dressing area. Its modern design features an elegant arched top and smooth round corners, adding a contemporary touch to your decor. Crafted with premium explosion-proof membrane glass, this mirror ensures safety and durability, providing peace of mind in any setting. The versatile installation options allow you to lean it against a wall, or mount it vertically or horizontally, adapting effortlessly to your space. With its aluminum alloy frame, this mirror delivers a diamond-like, high-definition reflection that remains undistorted. Elevate your home's aesthetic with this exquisite mirror, combining practicality with a chic, modern flair. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.